Stand by. Hold on.
I'm not gonna be able to get his head. I just got his butt.
If you're on him good, just put it right about the center of his body. Split your first line and your second line. Put it on him and squeeze.
He's on the move.
Yeah. He's laid up there pretty flat. Wait till he kind of gives you.
You guys ready?
Yep. Remember, squeeze that trigger slow.
He's on the move again.
Hmm?
He's moving again.
Yep. He'll stop here in a second.
Okay. Nope.
He's wandering the knee. He'll stop somewhere in a second.
Alright, you guys good?
If you feel you're good on him, go ahead and squeeze it.
Nope, I just got his ass. Alright. Nope. I'm afraid as soon as I try to pull the trigger, he's gonna run.
Well, just take your time.
Alright.
You want to just actually keep your main line on him.
I'm gonna shoot him.
Your main crosshair. You got him.
I don't think he moved, did he?
Nope, she got him.
Oh, he's
There's
Give
your...
us the tail salute.
Good job, girl.
Yeah, I used it.
She'll be able to hold that in half. And go put it back here. You need him out some?
I'm on him when you're ready.
No, I'm good. You're solid on him. You ready? Alright, you ready, babe?
Mm-hmm.
So main crosshair, it's in it.
Main crosshair.
Main crosshair. He gone.
And we're gun hole. Real nice to be true.
He's little like baby just.
Yeah, he killed 17.
He said, Mom, when are we going?
You're hot. Fire away.
That thing's poking out. Oh,
He gone.